Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pancake mix. First, let's gather our essential dry ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect batch, so grab your measuring cups and spoons. This simple guide will help you create a versatile base for delicious breakfasts anytime. Once you have all your dry ingredients measured, it's time to combine them. Use a large bowl and a whisk to thoroughly mix everything together. Make sure there are no lumps, especially from the flour or baking powder, to ensure a smooth batter later. After mixing, transfer your homemade pancake mix into an airtight container for easy storage.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy cooking guides. On another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're busy in the kitchen. Check out the amazing Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
When you're ready to make pancakes, simply take 1 cup of your prepared mix. In a separate bowl, combine it with about 3/4 of a cup of milk and 1 large egg. For extra flavor and a tender texture, add 1 tablespoon of melted butter or a neutral oil. Stir the ingredients gently until they are just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Now for the fun part, cooking. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until you see bubbles forming on the surface. Then, flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.